sad na sad ako. Happy na ako ulit. Thank you so much. What a year, Lord. Thank you. I'm just very grateful for the year that I had, really. I mean, 15 years definitely, but I think the icing on the cake was this year. Hindi dahil I'm celebrating my 15th, but really, and I mean, you guys know, the icing on the cake really for me this year is the reconciliation of me and my family. Thank you po. Gusto ko lang din po mag-thank you sa lahat po ng prayers po ninyo. And a very big shout out also to my Moinatics for making it happen. Thank you, Dad. Best birthday gift ever. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you, Moinatics. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Grabe, I love you too. Basta pa mga dyan sa taas. Next time kung ulitin namin ito, lilipad na talaga ako sa. Thank you so much. Again, it's been such an amazing year, a crazy year. And another thing that actually also happened this year was I got to do my very first film, which is Song of the Fireflies. And I think I have the Song of the Fireflies family that's here. Thank you guys are here. Hello po. Thank you so much. Honestly, that was my very first film, but I just had the best time. I was so blessed with such an amazing team who really guided me, and honestly, also on top of that too, what I really loved about working on the film, on this project, was that personally also I was able to continue to advocate for Bisaya pride and culture, being that our film is about the Love of Children's Choir from Bohol. And I'm just so proud of our film po. I'm just so happy that finally nailabas po na ayun, we finally got to share it with everyone, and it's a very simple story, pero it really just talks about the resilience and the passion and the courage of the Filipino spirit, especially when it came to music. And another thing that I also loved being able to work on Song of the Fireflies was I was so kilig that I got to work with some of the biggest names in the industry, in the side of music as well. And today I would like to share those songs with all of you guys. And to suddenly intro these two songs. One is written by the incredible Mr. Louie Ocampo, and the second is written by an amazing artist. He is the national artist for music, but to me, he was one of the judges of Star Factor, which was the reality show that opened so many doors for me and my family here in Manila. He was one of the judges 15 years ago, and working on this film and this incredible song and these songs and just everything for the film, parang sobrang nag-full circle po ako. And who I'm talking about was, of course, national artist for music, Mr. Ryan Cayabia. We'd love to share these beautiful songs with all of you.
Kahit
of it.